If you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to use Amouranth AI Girlfriend. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in the first step, what you need to do is open your browser on your device and search for the following, which is Forever Voices. Be sure to click the official website with this logo. When you find the official website, click on it. Then after that, this interface will come. What you need to do next is click Activate. Then Companion. It will take you to Telegram. Now what you're gonna do next is click Start. They will send you a message. If you want to talk to Amouranth AI Girlfriend, what you need to do next is type /Amouranth and send it. Now if you want to talk with Amouranth AI Girlfriend, you need to buy their subscription. Once you buy their subscription, you can easily start chatting with her. This Amouranth AI is the counterpart of one of the highest earning streamers on the internet, which is known as Caitlin Siraguso. She is famously known as Amouranth in Twitch. In May 2023, she announced that she had teamed up with a company called Forever Voices to develop Amouranth AI, which is an artificial intelligence molded in her likeness. There are 4 subscription tiers with different perks. If you want to be our friend, the friend pack currently costs about $599 for the first month. Additional plans also include 2 months for $39, 3 months for $56, and 6 months for $107. Fling pack costs around $9.99 for first month. For 2 months, it's $99.98. 3 months is $142 and 6 months is $269. Friends with Benefit pack for the first month costs around $99. Friends with Benefit for 2 months costs about $400. 3 months costs around $569 and 6 months cost around $1,000. And if you want to be her boyfriend, for the first month it's $199. 2 months cost around $840. 3 months cost around $1,000 and 6 months cost around $2,000.